This is an old wood stove we have. We just set it up in our shop here. We need heat in here. In a couple of days, we're just testing it out. We put up the chimney. The old furnace up there isn't working. So we put in the new chimney, put the wood stove in. We'll show you what it looks like inside there. We already loaded the firebox with some kindling and wood and some paper down in below. Down and below you can see the little box for the ashes to fall down into. We're gonna make a tray. The old tray was all rusted out, so we're gonna make it a tray, but right now we're just testing to see if we're gonna get smoked out or not in the shop. So we're gonna light it up.
Yeah, for sure.
So we just lit a match there. Here's the fire coming. We're going to close it up and we'll see if we get smoked out or not. Oh look, it's melting off the snow off of the piping. There's a little bit of smoke coming out. Hopefully that's not going to be a problem. See the fire inside? This is the damper here. You can move it back and forth and we can adjust the airflow. So far it looks like the chimney's working.
Smoke coming out inside. There's just steam here, I think.
Yeah, steam coming out of the pipe. It's burning really well. This is just a test today to see. We only need it on Tuesday. So the fire's been going for about 10-15 minutes. The smoke's coming really nicely out of the chimney. Here's the fire in the firebox. There's no smoke in the shop here, so it looks like we have a success. We're gonna have a nice warm shop for in a couple of days when we need it. We have a grate that we're gonna put in here. We just never brought it. And yeah, it looks like it did a really good job. No smoke. Pipe is warm. It's getting quite warm in here already. We have a pile of wood over there. So we're set.